Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Most of us have been trying to check our results by using the normal code that everybody is using. That is using the line that you use in registering to text results to the number 55019. Most of us have done this and they've seen their results. Some checked it and they could not see their results. So some people have been calling me and they're asking me how they're going to go about it. For now, as at the time of recording, being today Monday 13th of May 2019, this is the method that you can use in checking. Most of you that checked on Saturday but could not see their results, you can try it again to do this morning, because some people that tried earlier said they could not see it. Then they later called me and told me that they've seen it. So if you tried before and you could not see it, please try this morning, being Monday, and see what's going to happen. Now, it is expected that with time, JAMB is going to update these results on their website. This is their website, www.jamb.org.ng. Now, if you've tried that of SMS by texting results to 55019 and you could not see your results, hop over to these websites and log in. Click on this very create e-facility account / login, and log into your details and check whether the result is there. As at now, I'm not sure whether the result is there, but that is another way that you can check for your results. So put in the email that you use for registering and your password and click on login. You check for your result there. Now, it is expected that JAMB will also put a link here where they will say check your UTME results, so that you click and just put in your registration number or your phone number or your email and be able to get your results. So in either ways, you can see your results, but I will advise you to calm down and keep checking. You know, they just released it, so just keep checking. But try these other means that I've just told you now, so that you can see your results and move forward. So that is how we're going to be moving forward. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be updating you on things to do now that you've seen your results, to know what to do further. If you need to change your institution or your course in order for you to get admission, you need to do that, and I'm going to keep updating you on what next to do, so that with the JAMB score that you have, you don't lose admission. So for you to continue to get useful information concerning this, hit the subscribe button immediately. You can always call me if you have any question. If you've done your own checking and you cannot see your results, drop your comments in the comment section. Check the comment section, drop your comment there. I'll read them, then I'll check and see what is wrong with any problem that you have, so that I can reply you. So if you're not able to see your results, quickly hop over to www.jamb.org.ng, click on this login, log into your details and check for your results in your portal. And also wait while JAMB puts something here. So provided your center, you don't have problem of malpractice or anything, you should be able to see your results in due time. Please, if you like this content, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless.